So this is room 802 in the casino tower of downtown Grand. And actually staying in this room now means that I've stayed in all three room types at the downtown Grand. In January it was their basic room, which is a deluxe room, which you can check out if you want to. In August 2016 with Suzanne, I stayed in a city suite. And this is the sort of in-between room, premium room. So you have the sink there, then through to the toilet and shower. And I think these premium rooms are all sort of on the corners of the towers. As I said, this is in the casino tower, which is the one immediately above reception, i.e. not over the bridge. But it's significantly bigger than the deluxe room that I stayed at in January. Nice big telly. Nice seating. So yeah, I much prefer the decor. The deluxe rooms reminded me a bit of IKEA, if I'm honest. It was perfectly adequate, but this is definitely better. The only thing you need to know, particularly if you're staying in this tower, the rooms do come with earplugs. It never bothers me because I'm always out and about until pretty late. And so this is the view that you get, which I suppose actually for downtown is probably about as good as you're going to get. You see a bit of the citrus pool there. But you might be able to hear in the background the bar down there, the bikers bar down there. And it does go on until I think around about 2 o'clock in the morning. This is a Saturday, so no doubt it will do. And then at this end you've got the Mob Museum. So if you sleep light or you're looking to get an early night, it's probably not for you, but I've never had a problem here, never ever had a problem. But as I said, I do tend to go to sleep probably after 2 o'clock pretty much every time I'm here. I got 2 nights comped and 1 night at $49. So pretty good deal really. So yeah, very pleased with this. Speak to you soon.